Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to be installing the Lexibreak negative camber extra lock quick steer kit. That's a mouthful. For this installation you're going to need the adapters. I bought these secondhand from some dude on Facebook, but the link will be down below for where you can get these new. You need the is200 tie rod ends and the bolts. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to jack up the car. That was fast. So yeah, something to take into consideration when you put in these adapters. It will lower your car like the length of the adapter, I think. So you're bringing the car back down, make sure you can actually get it up. So if you have coilovers, raise them up a small bit, whatever. Everything on my car is new. This is new, that is new, this is new. Everything is going to come off fairly handily because I already went through the pain of taking all these off for the first time after 20 years or something. So everything's fresh enough. Get your tie rod end out and this lower ball joint out. But before I take this out of this, while this is still lodged in here, I'm just going to open this. This ball joint is fucked already, so that's good. That is good, but so the ball joint disconnected. What we need to do next is we need to chop this off. So you need a grinder or a hacksaw if you're insane. So after you've cut your end off for your tie rod, you bolt this to this. Right side, you use the is200 left side for the thing. So you're gonna obviously have to get tracking done, but you can kind of guess it. So this sits further back, and then it's gonna sit closer. Now these are longer by a good bit. So figure it out and you might be able to get it somewhere close just so you can drive it and get it